Disclaimer: Help at Tech does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only. Any misuse of this content is completely at your own risk. Do not try to attempt to break the law or do any illegal stuff by using this. In that case, we aren't responsible.
Hello friends. In the previous lecture, we install VirtualBox on our PC. So the 50% of our virtual hacking lab is complete. We need to install hacking machines and other supporting machines to complete the lab. So we can start installing the hacking machine. Here the term hacking machine means the platform we use to hack other devices. Most commonly we use softwares and operating systems for hacking. There are a number of operating systems that are designed for ethical hacking, such as Kali Linux, Parrot Security OS, Backbox, Pentoo, Nodazero, Network Security Toolkit NST, Arch Linux, Deft Linux, Kane, Knacktrack, BugTrack, Black Arch Linux. These operating systems help us to learn ethical hacking. In these we are using the most useful and commonly using operating system. Kali Linux is a Debian-based Linux distribution aimed at advanced penetration testing and security auditing. Kali contains several hundred tools, which are geared towards various information security tasks, such as penetration testing, security research, computer forensics, and reverse engineering. These are the main questions in your mind before you start using Kali Linux. Do I need Kali Linux to hack? Can I use any other operating system? Yes, you can use almost all operating systems for hacking. The only point is that some OS provide with special hacking tools and techniques inbuilt in them. One of them is Kali Linux, most preferred and widely used by hackers. If you used Ubuntu or any other OS and find it easier, you can use it as well, but you will have to install many tools and software for hacking. Is Kali Linux illegal? No, Kali Linux is just a tool. It is illegal when you use a tool for hacking, and not when you install it for useful purposes like learning or teaching or using it in the way to fortify your software or your network. It is not illegal to install any operating system which is available for download and is properly licensed. There is no problem for learning ethical hacking using Kali Linux. But the problem is when you use Kali for other illegal activities, which is harmful to the society and the people. Kali Linux is developed, funded and maintained by Offensive Security, a leading information security training company. Why hackers use Kali Linux? The answer of this question is the advantages of Kali Linux. Kali Linux is completely free of charge and always will be. You will never, ever have to pay for Kali Linux, and has over 600 tools for penetration testing and security analytics. Kali follows an open source model, and all the code is available on Git, which means all of the source code which goes into Kali Linux is available for anyone who wants to tweak or rebuild packages to suit the specific needs. And Kali is completely customizable. Every package in Kali Linux is signed by each individual developer who built and committed it, and the repositories subsequently sign the packages as well. Kali has multi-language support that allows users to operate in their native language, and it is available on a wide range of ARM devices, and has ARM repositories integrated with the mainline distribution, so tools for ARM are updated in conjunction with the rest of the distribution. Kali adheres to the file system hierarchy standard, allowing Linux users to easily locate binaries, support files, libraries, etc. And also Kali supports wide-ranging wireless device. These are the advantages of Kali Linux. Before we start, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel, and click on the bell icon, so that you get notified when we upload a new video. So let's install our hacking machine to our VirtualBox. First we need to download the VirtualBox image of Kali Linux. Go to the browser and search Kali Linux, or you can use the link in the description. I have already downloaded it. Next step is to install the Kali Linux VirtualBox image. Just double-click on the downloaded .over file. It will automatically call the VirtualBox. And installation begins. Keep the default settings. And click on Import. It will take some time to complete the process. Now the Kali Linux installed successfully on our VirtualBox. We can also install the ISO file. But using the ISO file, we have to do graphical install and do all the steps. It will take more time to install the ISO file.
Next, we need to change some settings. Here you can change the name of your operating system. I am giving it as Kali Linux. Next, we can choose the RAM of our virtual machine. 1 GB is enough for Kali Linux. Also we can set the processor. Please note that these changes will affect the performance of the virtual machine, and we can only give the available resources of our physical system. The important step is to set a network. Click on Network and choose the NAT network, if you don't have any. Now we need to start the engine. Let's go. The default username and password of our Kali Linux is Kali. Now we have successfully installed the Kali Linux to our virtual machine. If you like our video, please click on the like button. If you have any doubts or suggestions, feel free to use the comment box, or you can join our WhatsApp and Telegram channel for extra support. If you join to our WhatsApp or Telegram channel, it will be helpful to you when the upcoming practical classes comes. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lecture. The next lecture is about the introduction of Kali Linux.